Comic Book Men. Premiered 2012 genres TV, comedy, reality television. Dancing with the Stars. Premiered 2005 genres TV, sports film, reality television. More Dancing with the Stars 137 of 417 the best reality TV shows ever 27 of 45 the best current shows you can watch with your mom 31 of 115 the best reality competition series. America's Got Talent. Premiered 2006 genres TV, talent show, variety show, reality television. More America's Got Talent the best America's Got Talent winners, ranked 67 of 129 the best shows currently on the air 82 of 195 the dumbest reality shows of all time. Project Runway. Premiered 2004 genres TV, reality competition, reality television. More Project Runway, the most memorable Project Runway looks 109 of 241 the greatest TV shows for women 86 of 129 the best shows currently on the air. The Real Housewives of Atlanta. Premiered 2008 genres TV, reality television. More The Real Housewives of Atlanta the best Real Housewives of Atlanta 28 of 40 the best black TV shows in 2021 14 of 195 the dumbest reality shows of all time. RuPaul's Drag Race. Premiered 2009 genres TV, reality television. More RuPaul's Drag Race 20 times the queens on RuPaul's Drag Race sashayed into our hearts by being super relatable. The 15 most controversial eliminations from RuPaul's Drag Race. Hell's Kitchen. Premiered 2005 genres TV, reality competition, cooking show, reality television. More Hell's Kitchen, the best seasons of Hell's Kitchen 13 of 44 the best current Fox shows 72 of 263 the best TV shows returning in 2021. The Amazing Race. The Amazing Race. Face Off. Premiered 2011 genres TV, reality television. More Face Off the best Face Off winners, ranked 42 of 83 the best sci-fi original shows. The Bachelor presents Listen to Your Heart. Bachelor. Premiered 2002 genres TV, reality, dating. More The Bachelor 14 things you never knew about The Bachelor contestants' contractual obligations. Vote on the greatest signature lines from The Bachelor and The Bachelorette 3 of 28 current TV shows that basic bitches love. Bizarre Foods Delicious Destinations. Bizarre Foods Delicious Destinations. Canada's Drag Race. Canada's Drag Race. The Great Pottery Throwdown. The Great Pottery Throwdown. Worst Cooks in America. Premiered 2010 genres TV, reality television. More Worst Cooks in America the best Worst Cooks in America winners, ranked celebrities we want to see on Worst Cooks in America 16 of 60 the most watchable cooking competition shows. Food Network star. Premiered 2005 genres TV, reality competition, Culinary More Food Network Star. The Best Food Network Star winners, ranked 50 of 115. The Best Reality Competition Series 10 of 27. The reality shows you would most want to win. Shark Tank. Premiere 2009 Genres TV, game show, reality television. More Shark Tank. The best products from Shark Tank, totally worth buying. Most dramatic meltdowns on Shark Tank 117 of 253. The best TV shows streaming on Hulu. Britain's Got Talent. Premiere 2007 Genres TV, entertainment, talent show, reality television. More 392 of 640. The best TV shows to binge watch. 3 of 56. The very best British reality shows, ranked 1154 of 1322. The best guilty pleasure TV shows. The Voice. Premiered 2011 Genres TV, talent show, reality television. More The Voice. The best The Voice winners, ranked memes that all fans of The Voice will relate to. Jersey Shore Family Vacation. Premiered 2019 Genres TV, reality. MasterChef Junior. Premiered 2013 Genres TV, game show, cooking show, reality television. Survivor. Premiered 2000 Genres TV, reality competition, game show. More Survivor. The best Survivor contestants that ever played real Survivor, game changers you would have liked to see play instead. Undercover Boss. Premiered 2010 Genres TV, documentary, reality television. Top Chef. Top Chef. Lip Sync Battle. Lip Sync Battle. Bachelorette. Premiered 2003 Genres TV, reality, dating. The Great British Bake Off. The Great British Bake Off. Impractical Jokers. Impractical Jokers.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.